Hello friends, you are watching Mathematics channel number Collage. Please check playlist of this channel to watch more videos of your interest on mathematics. Thank you. Question 1. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 3x square plus 6x plus k such that alpha plus alpha beta is minus 2 upon 3, then we have to find the value of k. From this polynomial, we have a equals 3, b equals 6, c equals k. Therefore, sum of zeros alpha plus beta is minus b upon a minus 6 upon 3, and product of zeros alpha beta is c upon a k upon 3. Now from this expression, for this alpha plus beta, we write minus 6 upon 3 plus for this alpha beta, we write k upon 3, which equals this minus 2 upon 3. Cancelling this 3, k equals minus 2 plus 6, 4. Hence, the correct answer option is D, 4. Question 2. X equals a and y equals 2 is a solution of pair of linear equations 2x minus 3y plus a equals 0 and 2x plus 3y minus b equals 0. Then we have to choose the correct option. By using the values x equals 1 and y equals 2, these equations become 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 plus a equals 0, 2 minus 6 plus a equals 0. This gives a equals 4. Similarly, second equation gives 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 minus b equals 0. 2 plus 6 minus b equals 0, which gives b equals 8. Here we can write a equals 4 as 2a equals 8. So from these two relations, we can write 2a equals b. Hence, the correct answer option here is B, 2a equals b. Question 3. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points P minus 4, 5 and Q 4, 6 lies on. We have to select the correct option. Here, we have to use the midpoint formula of the line segment joining two points P and Q. By midpoint formula, midpoint of line segment will be x1 plus x2 upon 2 minus 4 plus 4 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, 5 plus 6 upon 2, 0 upon 2, 0, comma 11 upon 2. Here, since the x-coordinate of the midpoint is 0, the midpoint must be lying on the y-axis because every point on the y-axis has its x-coordinate 0. Hence, the correct answer option is B, y-axis. Question 4. Theta is acute angle and 7 plus 4 sin theta equals 9. Then we have to find the value of theta. 7 plus 4 sin theta equals 9 is given. From this, we can write 4 sin theta equals 9 minus 7, 2. Sin theta will be 2 upon 4, 1 upon 2. We have sin 30 degrees equals 1 upon 2, which implies theta is 30 degrees. Hence, the correct answer option B, 30 degrees. Question 5. We have to find the value of tan square theta minus 1 upon cos theta into sec theta. We write this as tan square theta minus, we know that 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. So, sec theta into sec theta, this will be tan square theta minus sec square theta. From trigonometric identity, sec square theta equals 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta minus sec square theta will be minus 1. Therefore, here it will be minus 1. Hence, the correct answer option is C, minus 1. Question 6. HCF of 98 and 28 is M. LCM of 98 and 28 is n, and hence we have to find the value of n minus 7m. For finding the value of n minus 7m, we have to find LCM n and HCF m. Now, prime factors of 98, 2 into 49, 7 into 7, and prime factors of 28, 2 into 14, 2 into 7, 7 into 1. Prime factors of 98, 2 into 7 square, that of 28, 2 square into 7. Now their HCF, product of lowest powers of common factors. So 2 multiplied by 7, 14, which is m. LCM is highest powers of common factors. 2 square, that is 4, into 7 square, 49, 196, which is n. Now n minus 7m is 196 minus 7 into 14, 196 minus 98, 98. Hence, the correct answer option is C, 98. Question 7. We have to tell that the tangents drawn at the extremities of the diameter of a circle are, we have to choose the correct option. This is a circle, this is diameter, this is center, and these are the tangents drawn at the extremities of this diameter. Let the extremities be A and B and center C. Now, according to tangent radius theorem, tangent drawn at A is perpendicular to radius CA, and the tangent drawn at B is perpendicular to radius CB. Here, interior angles, angle PAC plus angle QBC are supplementary 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, which implies tangent AP is parallel tangent BQ. Hence, the correct answer option is A. Question 8. In triangles ABC and DEF, angle B equals angle E, angle F equals angle C, and AB equals 3DE. Then about these two triangles, we have to select the correct option. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, it is given that angle B equals angle E and angle F equals angle C, which are corresponding angles of these two triangles. Since corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, we can say that triangle ABC similar triangle DEF by AA criteria of similarity. It is given AB equals 3DE. That means corresponding sides of the two triangles are not equal. So these triangles are not congruent. Therefore, these two triangles are similar but not congruent. Hence, the correct answer option is D, similar but not congruent. Question 9. If minus 1 power n plus minus 1 power 8 equals 0, then we have to find the nature of n from the four options given below. It is given that minus 1 power n plus minus 1 power 8 equals 0. When sum of two numbers is 0, they are opposite numbers of each other. Now here, base is minus 1 and power is even. Therefore, minus 1 power 8 will be 1. So, minus 1 power n must be minus 1, so that their sum will be 0. Now, here, since the base is minus 1, its power must be odd. Then only minus 1 power n will be minus 1. Hence, the correct answer option is C, any odd number. Question 10. Graphs of two polynomials are shown here. We have to find number of distinct zeros of both these polynomials. Now, number of zeros is the number of times a graph of a polynomial cuts the x-axis. Here, graphs of both these polynomials cut the x-axis at two distinct points here and here, and these 2 points being the same for the two polynomials, The correct answer option is C, 2. Question 11. If sum of first m terms of an AP is 2m square plus 3m, then we have to find its second term. Here we are given sum of first m terms means Sm equals 2m square plus 3m. Now we have mth term Am equals Sm minus 1. We want second term, that is A2, which will be S2 minus S of 2 minus 1, 1. Now from this expression we can write S2 as 2, m square means 2 square plus 3m means 3 into 2 minus S1 means 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1. That will be 4 into 2, 8 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 2 plus 3, 14 minus 5. So the second term A2 will be 9. Hence the correct answer option here B, 9. Question 12. Mode and mean of a data are 15x and 18x respectively. Then we have to find the median of the data. We have 1 mode plus 2 mean equals 3 median. Putting the values 15x plus 2 times 18x equals 3 times median. So 3 times median equals 15x plus 36x, 51x. So median will be 51x upon 3, 17x. Hence the correct answer option is 17x. Question 13. A card is selected at random from a deck of 52 playing cards. We have to find the probability of that card being a red face card. In a deck of 52 playing cards, there are 12 face cards, and out of them 6 are red face cards. So the required probability will be favorable outcomes 6 upon total number of outcomes 52 gives 2 3s are upon 26, 3 upon 26. So this is the required probability. Hence the correct answer option is D, 3 upon 26. Question 14. We have to decide which of the following is a rational number between root 3 and root 5. We will start arguing like this. 3 is less than 4 is less than 5. Taking square roots, root 3 is less than 2 is less than root 5. So the number which is a rational number and lies between root 3 and root 5 will be closest to this 2. Now in the options, pi is out of question because it is not rational. Now the rational numbers closest to 2 among these 3 is number in option D, 1.857143. Question 15. If a sector of circle has area 40 pi square units and central angle 72 degrees, we have to find radius of the circle. We have area of sector equals theta upon 360 into pi r square. So 40 pi equals 72 upon 360 into pi r square. Cancelling pi 10, 2, 2 ones are, 2 fives are. So we get r square equals 40 into 5, 200. Therefore r equals square root of 200, 10 root 2 units. Hence the correct answer option is D, 10 root 2 units. Question 17. A kite is flying at a height of 150 meter from the ground. This is kite K and it is at a height of 150 meter from the ground G. It is attached to a string. SK is the string inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees to the horizontal. We have to find length of the string, that is length SK. In right triangle KGS, we know this opposite side KG 150 meters and we have to find length of string, that is hypotenuse, sk. So we have to use sine 30 degrees, which is kg upon sk. Sine 30 is half, kg is 150 upon sk. Sk is nothing but length of string, which will be 150 into 2 meters, 300 meters. So the correct answer option here is B, 300 meters. Question 18. A piece of wire 20 centimeter long is bent into the form of an arc of a circle of radius 60 upon pi centimeter. We have to find the angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle. Length of wire is 20 centimeter and it is bent in the form of an arc. L is length of arc. Radius of circle R is 60 upon pi centimeter and we have to find the angle subtended theta by this arc of length L. Now we have length of arc equals theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Putting the values, 20 equals theta upon 360 into 2 pi into 60 upon pi. We cancel this pi, this 0, 6 ones are 6 6 are. So we get this 2 into theta, 2 theta equals 20 into 6. So theta is 120 upon 2, 60 degrees. Hence the correct answer option is B, 60 degrees. Question 19. This is assertion reason type of question. In assertion, it is said that probability of selecting a number at random from the numbers 1 to 20 is 1, which means probability of event E equals number of favorable outcomes, which is 20, and total number of outcomes is also 20. That gives us probability of event E to be 1. Now in reason R, it is said that for any event E, if probability of event E, P of E is 1, then E is called a sure event. We know that when probability of event E is 1, it is called a sure event, which supports assertion A. Hence, the correct answer option is A, which says both A and R are true and R supports assertion A. Question 20. Assertion A is, if we join two hemispheres of same radius along their bases, then we get a sphere, which obviously is true. In reason R, it is said that total surface area of sphere of radius R is 3 pi r square, which is false because it is 4 pi r square. Hence, the correct answer option is C, which says assertion A is true and reason R is false. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Please check playlist of this channel. Perhaps you might find videos of your choice. Thank you.